In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Solana in Binance. So for those people who do not know Solana, Solana is also known as SOL or Sol coin. Basically, it's a crypto and Binance is a crypto exchange. So for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, right? Exchange means buy and selling crypto. And it depends, like Binance is a crypto exchange, but if you guys go to Robinhood, it's a stock exchange like that, all right? So don't get confused, Binance is a crypto exchange, all right? So let me show you guys how you guys can buy Solana. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And if you guys are new to this channel, it's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And before moving forward, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Now, without any further ado, let's move on. So the first step is you want to go to Binance.com, and after going to Binance.com, you want to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, the next step is you want to go and register trade. Once you go on trade, the next step is you want to go on Classic. Once you go on Classic, basically you want to search for Solana. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. At the side over here, it says search. So the search term of Solana is SOL. After you search for SOL, it's going to show you SOL/BNB, SOL/USDT, SOL/ all this slash. So basically what it means is SOL/BNB means I'm going to be buying, Solana using BNB. SOL/USDT means I'm going to be buying Solana using USDT. So you want to choose the coin which you want to use to buy Solana. I want to use USDT, so I'm going to click on Solana/USDT. Once I click on it, it's going to take me to this page over here. Now, once over here, you want to scroll a bit down. Once you scroll a bit down, you want to go on Restless Market, which means I'm going to be buying Solana in the market price. All right. Once you're in market, you want to enter the amount of Solana you want to buy. Let's say I'm going to buy 1 Solana. So basically, my 1 Solana is going to be around $209 according to the market price. And after that, you can click on Buy Sol. Once you click on Buy Sol, your Solana will be bought using your USDT. all right, so that's basically how you guys can buy Solana. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And don't forget to use our referral link to sign up into Binance to get up to $10 bonus. Hope you guys have a nice day. Stay tuned to our channel One to Step for future videos.